Hey everyone, welcome back to the Task Guide. Today we are diving into how to think and grow rich, inspired by Napoleon Hill's classic principles. Let's get started. Start by setting clear, specific goals. Write down exactly what you want to achieve, whether it's a financial target, a career milestone, or a personal dream. Be detailed. Clarity is essential for focused effort. Adopt a positive mindset. Believe in your ability to achieve your goals. Surround yourself with positive influencers and practice gratitude daily. Your mindset will shape your actions and your success. Outline your steps to reach your goals. Break down your plan into actionable tasks with deadlines. Consistent action is key, so make sure you follow through and adjust your plan as needed. Action is where the magic happens. Take daily steps towards your goals, no matter how small. Persistence and determination will help you overcome obstacles and keep you moving forward. Failure is stepping stone to success. Analyze what went wrong, learn from it, and adapt your strategies. Each setback offers valuable lessons that brings you closer to achieving your goals. Engage with others who share your vision. A mastermind group or mentor can offer support, feedback, and encouragement. Collaboration opens new opportunities and offers different perspectives. Never stop learning. Read books, attend seminars, and seek knowledge. The more you learn, the better prepared you will be to handle challenges and seize opportunities. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the Task Guide for more empowering tips.